This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Pancreas is a pale grey gland weighing about 60 grams. It is about 12 to 15 centimeter long and is situated in the epigastric and left hypochondric region of the abdominal cavity. What are the regions of abdominal cavity? You can watch my previous lecture where I have described the introduction about anatomy and physiology, and we have discussed in detail all the regions and quadrants of abdominal cavity. It consists of a head, body and tail. Here you can see this is the head, this is the body and this is the tail. This one. The head lies in the curve of duodenum. This is the curve of duodenum and head lies here. The body behind the stomach and tail lies in front of the left kidney and just reaches to the spleen. The abdominal aorta and inferior vena cava lies behind the gland. The pancreas is both exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland. Means it acts as endocrine gland as well as exocrine glands. Exocrine pancreas. This consists of large number of lobules made up of small acini, the wall of which consists of secretory cells. Each lobule is drained by a tiny duct, and these tiny ducts unite eventually to form the pancreatic duct, which is situated in the center of the pancreas and extend whole length of pancreas gland and open into the duodenum. Just before entering the duodenum, it combines with the common bile duct to form hepatopancreatic ampulla. The function of exocrine pancreas is to produce pancreatic juice, which contains the enzymes for complete digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat. And this we have already discussed in previous lecture. Endocrine pancreas. There are a group of specialized cells called the pancreatic islets or islets of Langerhans. These islets are distributed throughout the gland. The islets have no ducts, so the hormones secreted by these islets of Langerhans diffuse directly into the blood. The endocrine pancreas secrete hormones insulin and glucagon, which are principally concerned with the control of blood glucose levels.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.